Hello friends, myself Chirag Waghela and I welcome you all in this video lecture. And in previous lecture we have learned about the replies or some the points to be written or keep in mind while writing a reply letter to an inquiry letter. And we have get some brief introduction about the same point. Now in sample letter we have also learned about the some inquiry letter means we have learned the first letter of your cc portion, and now we are going to learn the second one videos for the same, second one letter for the same. Now Gujarat Tea Depot. In previous letter we have learned that the Tapaswi tea traders had made an inquiry for the some different types of teas to the Gujarat Tea Depot. Now, in reverse position, Gujarat Tea Depot replies for this inquiry letter. So now letter writer is Gujarat Tea Depot and letter receiver is the Tapaswi Tea Traders. Clear that? Gujarat Tea Depot Ahmedabad has received letter inquiring about the quality and price of a tea. Draft a suitable reply for it. See, here Gujarat Tea Depot writes some reply of the inquiry made by the Tapaswi Tea Traders. See friends, now I want to let you know that the format of this letter is perfectly suitable, means whatever format I have teach you, and this format is perfectly for the same, and you have to compulsorily follow this type of format over here. Clear that? While you are writing any kind of letter, when letter writer is company, at that time you have to compulsorily follow this type of format is must necessary. See, in center name, the of name of the company in the center, Gujarat Tea Depot, phone number, email ID, both the things are mentioned here. Now at the writer's address 55 Others Complex, Rice Market, Kalupur, Ahmedabad. Put full stop behind the pin code. Okay, this is the uh, address of the letter writer, and you have to follow this format while you are writing the letter. Now the date of the letter is the 27th March 2016. See, here the reply of the inquiry is written to the 26th March. See friends, inquiry letter made on the 24th March, and after 2 days you wrote a inquiry letter for the same. Sorry friends, due to some technical issue this type of these things happen due to scrolling mistake. Now we are going to continue for the letter of reply of inquiry letters. Okay, now the date of the letter is the 26th, is the writing date of the reply of the inquiry letter. Sorry, 27th. And after 3 days, see, inquiry made on the 24th March, and they are replying for the same on 27th March. That means within a 3 days they are replying. Now Tapaswi Tea Traders is the receiver, 15 Bhavna Market, ST Road, Kalol, and put full stop behind the pin code. Now here you can write subject or reference over here. While you are writing subject, then you have to write reply of your letter. Clear? Here you have to mention only this thing while you are replying and you are writing a subject. But you are writing reference, at that time you have to write your letter, reply of your letter dated 24th March 2016. Clear that? If you write subject, at that time you have to write reply of inquiry letter, short and sweet. reply of inquiry letter. But you write, if and only if you write subject. But if you write a reference instead of subject, both the things you can write. Then you have to write reply of your letter dated 24th March 2016. Clear that? If you have a textbook, at that time you have to compulsorily make these changes in your textbook. Dear sir is the salutation. Now receiver. First paragraph. We have received your inquiry letter dated 24th March 2016. See, here they have mentioned that we have received your letter 24th March. Thank you for showing an interest in variety of tea product sold by us. See, they mentioned that we are thankful for inquiry, whatever inquiry you have made. Our tea is popular in most of the cities of Gujarat because of its high quality and reasonable price. See, they have mentioned that we are very glad that our tea is popular in the most of the cities of the Gujarat due to its high quality and reasonable price. We herewith send the samples of the tea through the post parcel. See, Gujarat Tea Depot had sent some samples for the usage of the Gujarat Tea Depot. For that, they can experience the tea. Our price list and catalog are enclosed along with this letter. See, they have also mentioned that we have enclosed our price list as well as the catalog over here. Our tea is available in 100 gram, 250 grams, 500 grams and 1 kg packing. See, they have also mentioned that we have different types of packaging facilities, that is of the 100 grams, 250 grams, 500 gram and 1 kg. If your order exceeds rupees 20,000, we shall give you additional 5% discount. See, here they mention that if your order is exceeds of rupees 20,000, at that time we will give you extra 5% discount. We send our goods through our own transport. See, they have also mentioned the transport facility, that they will send the goods through their own transport instead of different transport facilities available. Goods will be dispatched within 10 days of the receiving your order. See, they have also mentioned that after receiving the order, we will send your goods within 10 days. The total amount of bill must be paid through the demand draft within 1 month of the date of the bill. See, they accept the payment for the goods through the demand draft, and within 1 month they send the bill. After sending or receiving the bill within 1 month, they will accept the payment through the demand draft. We hope that the high quality and reasonable price of our goods will suit you to place a large order with us. See, they mentioned that if we hope that our price and the quality of the goods will suitable for you and you will place a large order with us. Here you have to mention the thanking you, keep changing. Yours faithfully, XYZ manager, and enclosed over here is the price list as well as catalog. Both the things you have to mention it. Now, the second one, letter. Others Nivasi Chhatralay, Kheralu, wants to purchase a specific furniture from Jai Hind Furniture Mart, Patan. Write a letter on behalf of them inviting the quotation for the purchase of specific furniture. See, Others Nivasi Chhatralay, which are located at Kheralu district of the Kheralu at the district of the Mehsana, and they want to purchase some furniture for the Chhatralay, that means hostel. They wants to purchase a furniture for the hostel, and they wants to purchase furniture from the Jai Hind Furniture Mart from the Patan, and they are writing an inquiry letter. So here Letter writer is Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay. Keep change in your textbook. Phone number keep left side, and you can mention website as well as the email ID for the same. Right hand side, the address first line near Sahyog Dairy, 80 and PO Kheralu. That means at post Kheralu. District Mehsana, put full stop behind the pin code. Now, 20th April 2016 is the date of the letter. 20th April 2016 is the date. Now, the receiver of the letter is the Jai Hind Furniture Mart. This is name. So, you have to remove comma after it. 17 Shivam Complex, Palace Road, Patan. Put full stop behind the pin code. Here, subject is not written. You can write subject. I repeat, you can write subject that is of inquiry about the furniture. Inquiry about the furniture. You can write this. Now, dear sir is the salutation. They mention that we require furniture for our Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay, Kheralu district, Mehsana. See, they mention that they want some furniture for their hostel at Mehsana. We require furniture like table, chairs, steel cupboards, coats, etc. in the bulk. See, what are the requirement is there? They mentioned that we required like tables, chairs, steel cupboard, coats, etc. And they need this thing in a bulk. We wish to buy the following goods from you. See, they wants to buy for the following goods. First one is the wooden chair, 30 pieces. See, they wants to purchase 30 pieces of the wooden chair. Second one is the reading writing table, wooden, 2 by 4 feet, 30 pieces. See, they want the reading or writing table of made of the wooden, 2 by 4 feet. That is the size of the table, and they want this table in a 30 pieces. Next one is the steel coat, and size of the steel coat is the 6 by 2.5 feet at 30 pieces. See, they want steel coat with the size of the 6 by 2.5 feet of how much they want 30 pieces. Steel cupboard 6 by 3 feet. This is the size of the steel cupboard, and that is of the 6 by 3 feet, and they want 30 pieces for the same also. We expect the superior quality and the minimum price for our above mentioned order. See, they also made that request made that they expect the superior quality, that means the best quality, and the minimum price for the same. Kindly send us the quotation stating the minimum cost and maximum discount, terms and condition of the payment, cost of transport, and state who would bear the other expenses. See, they wants to know that the kindly send the quotation and minimum cost, maximum discount, how much discount they will provide, what are the terms and conditions for the payment, cost of transportation, and who will bear it, and who will bear the other expenses for the same. They wants to know all these things from the Jai Hind Furniture Mart. We await your prompt reply. That means they expect prompt and fast reply for the same. Instead of thank you, you have to write thanking you. Yours faithfully, XYZ, and the principal of the Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay. Now, Jai Hind Furniture Mart replies for the same. See, write a suitable reply to the letter asking for the quotation and price list for the purchase of the furniture. Now, Jai Hind Furniture Mart replies to the Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay. Jai Hind Furniture Mart, 17 Shivam Complex, Palace Road, Patan. Put full stop behind the pin code, and you can put phone number as well as the email ID at the left hand side, and you can put the address at right hand side. 25th April 2016 is the date. Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay is the receiver near Sayog Dairy, ATN PO Keralu, district Mehsana. Put full stop behind the pin code. Now you can write subject as well as the reference as per the previous letter. That means in subject you can write reply of your letter. That's it. And if you want to write a reference, then you can write reply of your letter dated 20th April 2016. Reply of your letter dated 20th April 2016. Dear sir is the salutation. We thank you for your inquiry letter dated 20th April 2016 for the purchase of furniture. See, they want they thanks that they inquire for the furniture made by the Jain Furniture Mart of the later date 20th April 2016. We are pleased to know that you are interested in our product. See, they mention that they are glad that that means Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay are happily to purchase the product for the same. The quotation and terms for the purchase of the furniture are as under. See, they give reply, or you can say they reply to the inquiry letter to the point wise. See, first of all, they made the prices. See, first one is the wooden chair, and the price is the 1200 for each. 1200 for each. That means the total price for the chair is the 36,000 rupees. Clear? Wooden table 4 by 2 feet 2200 for each. Means they keep price of one wooden table is of the 2200 for each. That means how much will be the total? That is of the 66,000 rupees. Steel coat 6 by 2.5 feet, and the price for each table is the 3200 each. That means the total price for the same is the 96,000. Now steel cupboard 6 by 3 feet, that is of the each steel coat price is the 4200, and the total will be that is of the 1,26,000. Clear? This is the total price for the same. Now this is the price section. Now they want discount, and what is the discount for the same is the 20% on price list. See, they want 20 they give the 20% discount on the price list. That means 1200, 2200, 3200 and 4200. This is the price list, and they will provide 20% for the same. Now payment 50% payment along with the order letter, remaining 50% amount within a 1 month of the receiving the goods. See, they accept the payment for the same at the scheme of the 50-50%. That means while you are placing an order with the Jain Furniture Mart, they want 50% amount in advance, and after receiving the goods within a 1 month, they want remaining payment. Delivery of goods within a 10 days of the receiving the order, means they will send the goods within a 10 days after receiving of the order. Transportation through our vehicle at our cost, means they send the transport facility from their routine transport, and they will bear the expense for the same. Duration of the terms, that means within how much time they have to pay the bill, and that is the 30 days. That means within a 1 month after receiving the goods, within a 1 month they have to pay the bill. Keeping in mind your large order, we offer goods at maximum discount with a credit facility. See, they mentioned that your order is large, and that's why we are providing maximum discount and also a credit facility. Otherwise, they will not provide both the things. We hope that our prices and terms will be acceptable and you will place order promptly. That means they hope that they means Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay will accept the terms and condition and pay a large order for the same. Instead of thanking you, you have to write a thanking you instead of thank you. Yours faithfully and XYZ is the signature of the person. Clear that? Now, again, write an inquiry letter to the National Cycle Company, New Delhi, with reference to their advertisement of the super speed cycle on television. See, write an inquiry letter to the National Cycle Company. That means National Cycle Company receives the inquiry letter. And in this question, the name of the letter writer is not mentioned. So you can write whatever name, whatever you want. Clear that? Here the name of the letter writer is not mentioned in a question. So you can write whatever your expectation. Clear that? See, here the letter writer is the Vinayak Cycle Company, Mandvi Chowk, SV Road, Anand. Put full stop behind the pin code. Phone number and email ID can be kept on the left hand side and the address can be kept at the right hand side. 30th April 2016. And the receiver of the letter is the manager, National Cycle Company, MG Road, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Put full stop behind the pin code. Here subject is not mentioned. So you can write it inquiry for your product. You have to write in your textbook that inquiry for your product, or you can write inquiry for the cycle. Dear sir is the salutation. Your advertisement telecasted on television has drawn our attention to the different models of the super speed cycles. It has motivated us to write this letter. See, they mentioned that your advertisement has telecasted on television and we had watched it, and due to that we are motivated to motivate for the writing this inquiry letter toward you. We have a large network in Gujarat for the sale of the cycle of the different companies. Means they have a good market in Gujarat for the selling of the cycles. Clear that? If the prices and terms of the business are satisfactory, we shall purchase approximately 500 cycles next year. Means if your terms and conditions are very suitable, at that time they will purchase approximately 500 cycles in the next year. Now please send us the catalog and price list of the different models of the super speed cycle and inform us about other details like transport facility and discount, etc. Means they want the catalog, price list and different models of the super speed cycle and other details like who will bear the transport expenses and how much will be the discount and what is the time duration for the payment, etc. These things they want to know before placing an order. Instead of thank you, you have to make a thanking you. Yours faithfully, XYZ, and the manager who writes this type of letter. Now the reply of this inquiry letter. National Cycle Company Delhi receives an inquiry about their recently launched super speed cycle. Write a suitable reply for it. Now National Cycle Company replies to the Vinayak Cycle Company. So, letter writer is the National Cycle Company, MG Road, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi, put full stop behind the pin code. Phone number, email ID mentioned at the left hand side, and the address can be mentioned at the right hand side. Date of the letter is the 10th May 2016. Receiver of the letter is the Vinayak Cycle Company, Mandvi Chowk, SV Road, Anand. Put full stop behind the pin code. Reference, your letter dated 30th April 2016. Means on 30th April they reply of this letter of the 30th April. Dear sir is the salutation. We thank you for your inquiry letter for the super speed cycles. Means you are interested of our product. So we are thanking you for the same. We hereby inform you that we have launched different models of super speed cycles in the market. Means they are informing us that they have launched a new models of super speed cycles in the market. We have a wide range of the cycles for the children, young boys and girls, adults, and even for the exercise. Means they have launched so many products and different ranges of the cycles for children, young boys, girls, and adults. They have made all the models for this type of categories, and even if they also producing some exercise cycle. We have received a good response for all these models from our customer. Means they get a good response for the same from their customer. The price list and the catalog are enclosed along with this letter. Means they have sent a catalog and price list with this letter. Keeping in mind your large order, we offer a maximum discount and the facility of credit. Means they are already mentioned that 500 cycles they want to purchase for the next year, and due to that they mentioned that keeping in mind your quantity, they offer a maximum discount and the credit facility. If required, our sales representative will visit your firm. See, if you are not satisfied with this letter, then National Cycle Company is ready to send a representative for their reply and for their satisfaction. Instead of thank you, you have to mention thanking you, yours faithfully, and enclose as mentioned in the letter. Means they are enclosing a catalog as well as price list for the same. So friends, here we have completed the CC chapter number 5. Clear? Now I request you all that please keep your eyes and ear over here and keep it watching very carefully. And if you have any kind of doubt at that time, you can ask me, and you have to understand this letter that what type of matters, what type of information is necessary while writing this type of letters. And if you are very careful to listen as well as the understand this type of letter, at that time you can write it very easily with your own words. But if you have not understand the requirement and the terms and condition as well as words and the scenario for the writing this type of letter, at that time make sure you will not be able to write a single letter in your own words. So I request you all to keep in mind that you have to compulsorily watch it very carefully. And if you have any kind of doubt that what type of letters and what type of information will be necessary for writing this type of letter in your own word, whatever information should be placed at which place, you have to know the place for the same also, that where the phone number as well as the email ID should be written. So, in short, I want to tell you that you have to very much clear about the format for the letter, and it is most necessary part you have in your writing this type of letters. So again I repeat that you have to follow this format whichever present at present your screen. This format is quite suitable while writing this type of letter. So I request you all, please keep watching, and we have completed CC chapter number 5. Thank you. Thank you very much.